morning, after just seeing everything in the last couple of weeks, I just felt utter despair. Just like I moved to Curacao from the Netherlands in July, and in the Netherlands I was involved in a lot of underground movements and just like very involved, and so many people that agreed that I could have genuine conversations. And then I moved to Curacao and I felt just isolation. I did not know if there was anyone on this island that actually felt the same that I was feeling. And when I stepped into this building, a little late, sorry, and I saw all of these people, like yes, it's not all up to the end of the street, but it's 10 times as much as I expected. I expected maybe 10 people, honestly. So thank you for that, first of all. Second of all, I want to touch on the thing that Ralph asked about, okay, how can we move on from this? Because we're scrolling through our internet, we might repost a couple things, but then what? I think the difference between what we're doing right now and what maybe we have to do is the difference between